This week's A Piece of CX, we're going to take a look at Commbox. So I'm just going to launch the Commbox admin area here, and I've got all kinds of settings to set up a channel. What I wanted to do was see how quickly I could set up a channel, modify it, and get it to an agent. So I've gone for the easiest channel, chat, and I'd already set up Holt CX chat. If we go into this, straight away we can click demo, and what that looks like is this screen here where that chat is embedded within a page here. In fact, what I'm going to do is log out of that and start a new conversation. But I can also look at what this looks like in terms of taking this script, putting it on a website or within a mobile, for example. Let's go back to this. And straight away, what I can do is start a new conversation. Now, I haven't put any routing on this channel whatsoever yet. Haven't programmed up my Stream Deck yet with my prompt, so I'm just typing that in. And if I go to the Commbox Agent, then I've just had a notification on my desktop that we have this has come through. So I haven't got any programming there, but what I have done is bring this straight into an agent. So I can reply here. Really incisive commentary so far. We've got our timers up here during the conversation, but let's have a look at some of these settings. So chat, very easy obviously to deploy, but what else can we do with it? Straight away, it looks like Commbox have a new next gen chat. We have general, so whether it's active or not, whether you use enter to send messages, whether you want to hide this at any point, what your conversational durations are. These are very low. So actually I'm going to go for 600. So 10 minutes for our customer and 1 hour in total. On my design, really easy to change the look and feel. So we can add a send image button. We can change the font. We can change the themes. Everyone here knows I prefer a little bit of green. I don't know what my, let's put it into hex. So I could put that into the Holt CX colors quite easily as well. Lots that you can do there. You can change the height and width, which is good actually. Not every vendor out there gives you that option. Conversational history, so we can activate this by using cookies, or you can turn it off. Full history, that's not a bad thing if you're a customer coming back, and we actually saw that where it said no past conversations yet as well. So we can put our images on things, company logos, whether you're displaying the agent's name, accessibility options, lots of different things that you can do here. And on the launcher as well, you can personalize this. So whether it's hidden or not, how you even pop it up, whether it's a design or whether we bring a logo into this so I can attach a file. So we can add our logo nice and easily. There are some maximum proportions here, so I'm guessing it's going to size it down as that image is larger than 60 by 60 or 200 by 200. We can put tooltips, we can put various different things here, whether we anchor it to one side or not, top, middle or bottom. Enabling the button to vibrate. I'm guessing that's something that you're going to see as a user. Various different things we can add here. We can add a welcome, we can add a contact us channel, which is pretty cool. So very similar to what we see with other vendors where they're now offering multiple channels in one window. So that's something we'll explore. We'll add an extra channel at some point to see what that looks like. Various different things here, what your call to action is. Automation, we saw that come through. How can I help you? Various different responses we can put in here, for example. The automation, so we could put scripts in here. I've not got into the builder at all yet on Commbox, but we'll have a look at that. And then various different things if we want to log in. And again, our intents, haven't built any intents in the AI side of Commbox just yet. Splitting conversations, intriguing. I want to play with that a bit more and understand what that looks like. Various different notifications, your privacy and all that kind of stuff. So whether you allow documents from the customer and from the agent as well. What your maintenance is, participants. So we can invite an external participant if we want, and we can add on the AI activated. And also, let's turn on conversation summary, because why would you not want that? Once we save those changes, it's going to be updated in the client. If I were to refresh this, and it looks like we can do a voice note as well, so I'm just going to allow that. Hi, I need some help. I'm going to give a voice note here instead of typing something. Can you help me here, please? And I'm being alerted in the background to the new message as well. Within the editor as well, let's move that out of the way. Wrong vendor, go away. Away you go. We've got the option here of all of our different shortcuts. We have some filters. We've got various different remarks we could add. So that's a note. We could ask the AI. I don't think there's an AI knowledge base on this just yet, but we can have a look at various different things here and even use the customer's first name, which I don't think it has captured. The big thing here is really easy to bring a brand new channel straight into Commbox and get playing with it and understand what you're doing in terms of delivering it to the agent. The value of this platform is going to be in that intent management and the flows that we can build. So join us for a future episode when we'll have had more built out on Commbox. We'll have a look at some of those flows. Thank you very much for joining A Piece of CX.